16 to 8 Intermittent Fasting. The weight loss secret you'll love. So, you're looking to lose weight, boost your brain power, and maybe even live longer all without counting every calorie. Well, my friend, you've come to the right place. Welcome to the world of 16 to 8 Intermittent Fasting, where you eat for 8 hours and fast for 16. Sounds simple, right? But hold on, there's more to it than just skipping breakfast. Let's dive in. Section 1. Understanding 16 to 8. Let's kick things off by understanding how the 16 to 8 method works. You'll have an 8-hour window to eat your meals and snacks, followed by a 16-hour fasting period. So, if you start eating at noon, you'll have until 8 p.m. to get in all your calories for the day. The rest of the time, you stick to calorie-free drinks like water, tea, or coffee. It's like a sleep diet, no midnight snacks to worrying about. What's great about the 16 to 8 method is its flexibility. You decide when your eating window starts and ends based on your lifestyle. Are you a breakfast lover? Start your window at 9 a.m. and wrap up by 5 p.m. Not a morning eater. Start at noon and enjoy your last meal by 8 p.m. The key is to find a schedule that works for you and stick to it. Section 2. Tackling hunger pangs. Now, let's talk about those inevitable hunger pangs. It's completely normal to feel hungry at first, especially if you're used to snacking throughout the day. But don't worry, your body will adjust. Think of your stomach as a muscle that needs training. Keep yourself busy and drink plenty of water to help curb those cravings. Here's a tip. Start your fasting journey during a busy week. When you're occupied, you'll have less time to think about food. And remember, boredom can lead to eating, so keep your hands and mind occupied with hobbies, work, or exercise. Section 3. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Hydration is crucial, especially during your fasting hours. Water is your secret weapon against hunger and fatigue. It not only keeps you feeling full, but also helps your body flush out toxins. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. Remember, drinking water isn't just for camels. Section 4. Smart snacking. We've all been there, late night, movie on, and the snack cravings hit. With 16 to 8, you can curb those cravings by scheduling your eating window earlier. For instance, if you know you tend to snack after dinner, set your eating window to end around 7 p.m. Bonus tip: get to bed earlier. It's hard to eat chips when you're asleep. Building a regular sleep schedule can help minimize cravings, improve your metabolism, and boost your weight loss results. Plus, a good night's sleep reduces stress, which can otherwise lead to weight gain. Section 5. Balanced eating. Just because you're fasting doesn't mean you get a free pass to eat junk food during your eating window. Focus on nourishing your body with wholesome foods like veggies, whole grains, and healthy fats. Think of it as treating your body like the temple it is. Make sure your meals are balanced and satisfying to help you make it through the next fasting period. A good mix of protein, healthy fats, and fiber will keep you full and prevent those mid-fast cravings. Remember, it's all about quality over quantity. And that's a wrap. Stick to these tips, and you'll be on your way to seeing those positive results in no time. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun and easy health tips. See you next time on ZebraTube.